Ka National Medical Commission NMC kan sawanjungo ya ka Jilla Meghalaya ha kitayaw ki basyakmat jong bana jemang na ka benta ka jingpet benya ya ka jingtei ya ka Shillong Medical College but Hospital. Ka menteri jong ka kwat ka kia ka ampri ningdo kalau ong baro ki kam ki jam ladab ban pinbit pinbyang bat ka jingtei kala ya chakmat. Ka Sorkar ka sngodon Jingkyrmen ban Sdang no ya ka batch ka beningkong jong ka Shillong Medical College hapo Snem 8,000 akusan 8,000 akundrio.
Review meeting chaired by the Honorable Chief Minister on the progress of our preparedness for the commencement of the medical colleges both at Shillong and Shillong and Tura. So we were pleased to be informed that everything is on schedule and that all of the infrastructure that needed to be put in position were all in an advanced stage, and funding and other matters for the conduct and the management of the medical college was also clearly explained to us in the meeting that was chaired by the Honorable Chief Minister. We are likely expecting the NMC to come to the state of Meghalaya sometime early of May, and we are hopeful that the entire procedure for the passing and approval of a government medical college run by the state government of Meghalaya will be very, very highly expected. We hope that we will be able to commence year 1 this session of 25-26. The progress of the Tura Medical College is also very, very positive. And at this point of time, we are ensuring that funding for the improvement of infrastructure of the Tura Civil Hospital and the Tura MCH Hospital is also fast-tracked. So we are happy to inform that all of these fundings have been reviewed by the Honorable Chief Minister and have all been duly accorded. So that also is good news for all of us in the state, because there is a high probability we are targeting ourselves and pushing ourselves to ensuring that the Tura Medical College also becomes operationalized by next academic session. We are yet to decide on the mode of operation of the Tura Medical College, and the biggest concern of the government in the review of the Honorable Chief Minister is that the management of the Civil Hospital Tura and the MCH Tura should not be given to any institute if and when decided to run the Tura Medical College. So that is again good, because ownership, management of the Tura Civil Hospital and the MCH Hospital remains with the government of Meghalaya. We are in the process of preparing these EOIs. It will take some time, but we hope to be able to cross that bridge to enable even the Tura Medical College to start quickly, as early as next academic session.